Hey there, food lovers. Today, we are bringing you a mouth-watering recipe that merges two incredible flavors, Mexican and Italian. Get ready for our taco pie pizza. To make this heavenly dish, we start by preparing our pizza dough. You can make your own from scratch or simply use store-bought dough. Now, let's move on to the toppings. We'll begin by cooking ground beef in a skillet until it's nicely brown. Next, we'll add a packet of taco seasoning, mix some water, and let it simmer until the flavors meld together. While the beef is cooking, we can start working on the sauce. In a bowl, we'll combine tomato sauce, garlic, chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of salt. Mix it together, and there you have it, our zesty pizza sauce. Once our dough is ready, we'll spread the sauce evenly over it. Then, we'll pile on the taco meat, followed by a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese. Ready for the final touch? Let's sprinkle some diced tomatoes, sliced black olives, and fresh cilantro all over the top. Oh boy, the colors are absolutely stunning. Now, it's time to pop our taco pie pizza into the oven. Bake it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a moment. The aroma, it's irresistible. Cut it into slices and get ready to savor the flavors of Mexico and Italy in every bite. The crispy crust, the savory taco meat, the gooey cheese, and the fresh toppings, it's a harmonious blend that will leave you wanting more. So, there you have it, folks. Our tantalizing taco pie pizza, a fusion of Mexican and Italian cuisine that's sure to impress. Give it a try, and your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.